The HomeChef highly is recommended for those who want to do more with less. This oven is next level and has far exceeded my expectations. It is the best oven that I have ever used by far. It warms up fast and cooks evenly, far more evenly than any other oven I have tried. Full-sized ovens are great for baking full-sized turkeys, hams and pies for holiday feasts. However, they consume a lot of power heating up a 4 cubic foot volume. On top of the high power consumption, most kitchen ovens are only radiant heat devices, which can result in uneven temperatures top to bottom. As energy costs rose over the years, manufacturers came up with countertop convection ovens, which consumed far less power. They also had circulating fans that circulated even air temperatures from corner to corner of the oven and thus on parts of the food that otherwise wouldn't be warmed evenly, because they weren't in direct line of sight of the glowing heating elements. The Panasonic HomeChef 7-in-1 compact oven adds 6 more cooking features to a standard convection oven, further enhancing the possibilities. I am particularly impressed by the steam cooking option. Features: convection bake with preheat. Some recipes require cooking to start immediately and call for oven preheating. Convection bake without preheat. Some recipes do not require cooking to start immediately. If preheating is not required, not using it will sometimes save some time and power. Airfrying is just like convection heating, except that the temperature is automatically set to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, saving a setup step. The high temperature of air frying tends to dry the surface to crispiness for crunchy French fries, etc. Steam cooking, low. Steam cooking cooks shellfish, regular fish, vegetables, and things you'd normally cook in a crock pot. Unlike radiant or convection baking, the steam keeps the food moist and subjects it to a constant 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This is very unique for a compact oven. Steam cooking, high. This setting is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, just like steam low, but it produces a greater volume of steam. This is good for larger amounts of food, but it does use more water and power. The high steam volume also gives an autoclave effect that can sterilize utensils and things like baby bottles and nipples. I used it to clean the spattered baked grease off of the round metal thermometer I've used in my baking ovens for years. The steam softened the black, baked-on grease, and allowed me to remove it easily with a paring knife and Scotch-Brite pad. Slow cook. This is for cooking stews/roasts etc. in small water-filled crock pots. It extends the cooking time to hours to tenderize meat etc. Ferment. This is a setting for baking certain types of bread. Its use is covered in the supplied recipes. Pros: attractive contemporary design, very quick and accurate temperature control. The touch screen gives access to any cooking temperatures, times, and events you desire. The memory in the oven's computer also gives access to pre-programmed menus that make all of the settings for you, with 1 or 2 button presses. 2 separate trays and racks enhances the cooking capacity. Comes with 18 auto-cook menus in the oven's memory and detailed recipes for them, with ingredients and pictures in the owner's manual and online. The oven is well lit during cooking, with bright white LEDs. The white lighting versus old-fashioned yellowies, incandescent bulbs, make it much easier to see the color of the meat and determine how well cooked it is. It has several steam cleaning settings, just for cleaning the interior of the oven. This makes it much easier to keep clean than most compact ovens. 1-year parts and labor warranty. Cons: at 15 inches, it's taller than most compact ovens. Because of heat and steam coming out of the top/back area, it requires 8 inches of top-to-cupboard clearance while steam cooking. I simply pulled mine out from under the cupboard while steaming and pushed it back in after. Conclusion: the Panasonic HomeChef 7-in-1 compact oven is a step up in technology for successful results in some recipes that demand precise temperature dispersion and delivery methods dry or steam. My conclusion is that, if you're looking for a fast cooking toaster oven/air fryer, and that's its primary function, then this isn't it. If you want to steam veggies and shrimp, it's a steam dream. If you want to be able to cook a wide range of entrees, and don't mind learning how to use it to get the most out of it, and don't mind it being slower than average, then it hits the target.